Having a 3D printer with us here at Studio Red allows us to have a direct communication with our designs and the architects here at the office. And from its simple hand sketch to all the way to a digital model, and to have a more interactive collaboration in our office, where it's not just a finished product, but it's part of our design process. So we can test our ideas in-house, but we can also show our clients and have a better communication with them and our consultants. 3D printers is an additive manufacturing process which uses different type of materials. We used ABS and PLA plastics, and it builds up the objects in layers. So it goes every so often, it goes up into layers, and that's how it builds. So the way it works, we digitally model our drawings in numerous softwares, and then once we're done with that, we'll export it to a file that then can be placed into here. Once the printer can read it, it's just the simple fact of touching the tab, and it does it automatically. So in this particular design, we are designing pretty much like a column enclosure for an office building, and we're given the task to find different solutions for this type of structure. And this is, it went from something that it was more conceptual to something that it's more constructible. Just having fun with the tools and the things that we can actually produce. I mean, all the way from that to actually making, iPhone cases. So it's given us a new kind of edge in technologies to help us find the best solution for our clients and to make a more fruitful design process.